proceed with the program, I invite Sri Limay, Director General Yashoda, to deliver the welcome address and inform us about the concept of Sri V.G. Deshmukh Memorial Lecture Series. Please put your hands together for Sri Limay.
Namaskar and welcome to Yashoda on the occasion of the fourth lecture in memory of Honorable Shri V.G. Deshmukh. Today's chief guest and speaker for the fourth memorial lecture, Honorable Shri Ajit Seth, the chairman of this session and also President of the Board of Governors of Yashoda, Honorable Shri Swadhin Kshatriya, the member of the Board of Governors of Yashoda, Dr. Bhagwan Sahai, the co-host of the fourth memorial lecture and Chairman Janwani, Honorable Dr. Vijay Kelkar, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great pleasure for me to welcome everyone here this evening on behalf of Yashoda, Janwani, and on behalf of the Government of Maharashtra to the fourth V.G. Deshmukh Memorial Lecture. This is part of the lecture series being jointly organized by Yashoda in collaboration with Janwani. For us at Yashoda, this occasion is an opportunity to renew our gratitude and pay our tribute to Shri V.G. Deshmukh, our founder, chairman and president of the Academy. This memorial lecture series has been instituted to commemorate his vision and contribution in the establishment of Yashoda and in strengthening various other institutions. Similarly, Shri V.G. Deshmukh was also the founder chairman of Janwani, our co-hosts. Yashoda and Janwani, as part of the joint commitment, have organized this fourth lecture. It is organized on the occasion of and proximate to 26th March, which is the birthday of Shri V.G. Deshmukh. To enumerate some details about the earlier lectures, sir, Dr. Veerappa Moily was the chief guest and speaker for the first memorial lecture. As the then Union Cabinet Minister, he spoke on challenges of governance. Dr. C. Rangarajan, Chairman, Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister, spoke on growth, development and governance as the chief guest and speaker for the second memorial lecture. Shri Wajahat Habibullah, the Chief Information Commissioner of India, was the chief guest and speaker for the third memorial lecture on, that is last year. He spoke on governance in India, challenge and response, and RTI perspective. And now we are welcoming Sir for the fourth lecture in this series. To introduce you very briefly about Yashoda, where all of us have assembled here today. We began as the Administrative Staff College in 1963 in Mumbai as a result of the vision of Shri Yashwantrao Chauhan, the first Chief Minister of a newly born Maharashtra. In 1983, 20 years later, we journeyed here with land received from the Raj Bhavan at Pune. And then we were known as Maharashtra Institute of Development Administration, MIDA, as it was popularly known. In 1990, in an initiative to pay tribute to the vision of the first Chief Minister of Maharashtra, we evolved as the Yashwantrao Chauhan Academy of Development Administration, or Yashoda, as we are now known. The word Yashoda is not an abbreviation, but it is a single word, acronym to rededicate ourselves to aspire to better heights with the light of knowledge. Honorable Dr. Vijay Kelkar will introduce you to Janwani, but suffice it to say that apart from the fact that Shri V.G. Deshmukh is our common founder chairman, both the institutions are committed to address the issues of growth and development. In his commitment to this area of good governance, transparency and responsiveness, Shri V.G. Deshmukh had always encouraged Yashada to present training, research and documentation initiatives in a very independent manner. On this occasion, we in Yashada renew our resolve to provide honest and true capacity building initiatives. I am very grateful to our chief guest, Honorable Sri Ajit Seth, the Cabinet Secretary to the Government of India, for having accepted our joint invitation and agreeing to deliver this fourth memorial lecture on governance in times of change. And I once again welcome him to Yashada. I am also grateful to Honorable Sri Swadhin Kshatriya, Chief Secretary to the Government of Maharashtra, for his presence to give us his encouragement and support as always. And of course, I welcome you all present here and thank you for continuing your association with the Academy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for putting today's lecture series in this context.